begin with, we need to define risk, that is, discover its main characteristic to state the exact meaning of this word. It will help to understand the place of risk, not only in business world, but also in our everyday life. Because risk is not a new, just recently emerged concept. It has been always here. Now let's start our discovery journey. When you hear word risk, what are your associations? What's the first thoughts that come to your mind? I'm asking you to abstract from everything that you have already known or thought about risk and risk management and answer to these two questions as you feel, without second thoughts and from your own point of view. At this moment, I suggest you to stop the video and list all your associations and then compare with the list provided on the next slide. When I ask this question from my students, they usually provide something like the following list: future, fail, danger, hazard, and so on. Please have a look at this list. How many words are familiar to you? Do you see any patterns, similarities that they have in common? In what groups can you allocate these words? Again, you can stop the video and try answering by yourself. You may use your own list of words or work with one provided on the slide. The words listed can be divided in two categories. I would put the orange ones into group number 1 and words highlighted in green into the second group. Now, let's try to name these two groups. The group number 1 can be named as uncertainty. Why? Because all words that we put in it reflect a feeling of unknown, a chance of happening. We are not sure, we're just suggesting something may happen or may not. We can either win or lose, risk would realize or would not. It's all about probability and possibility, but nothing for sure. The second group's name is an affect. Again, why? All our concerns regarding risk arise because we are afraid of what may happen. In case risk realizes, it has some effect. In case risk does not have some effect, it's not a risk at all. The effect can be a loss of money, hazardous situation, lost opportunity, health harm, and so on. Now we have obtained all needed components to state a definition of risk. Its main features are uncertainty and affect. That's why the risk can be defined as possibility of something bad happening. Given this statement, how can you evaluate the risk? Is it good or bad, positive or negative?